Do you want to know what makes the difference between a good landing page and a phenomenal one? It's not just about catchy headlines or stunning visuals, though that helps too. The real secret lies in a tiny yet mighty element, the CTA button. Landing pages have 3 jobs: grab attention, explain your offer, and get conversions. But it's the CTA button that seals the deal. That's why it deserves just as much attention as the headline and copy. Here are 5 simple tips to craft insanely good CTA buttons. Tip 1. Strategic placement. Make sure your CTA button is easy to find and logically fits within your page's content. Position it prominently, ideally at the top and after presenting your product's benefits. Tip 2. Keep it simple and personal. Short, action-oriented copy is key, and a touch of your product's unique value. Think contact our payment experts instead of just contact us. Tip 3. Avoid decision fatigue. Don't overwhelm visitors with multiple CTAs. One strong call to action, well placed after your pitch, is usually enough. Tip 4. Color psychology. Leverage color psychology to evoke emotions and prompt action. Choose vibrant hues for urgency and calming tones for trust. Ensure contrast for visibility. Remember, HubSpot saw a 21% conversion boost with a red button versus green. Tip 5. Make it clearly clickable. This seems obvious, but make sure your button looks like a button. Use proper shape, borders, and white space. For Ghost CTAs, use them alongside a contrasting button for clarity. Ready to skyrocket your conversions? Start creating powerful CTAs with these 5 tips. Sign up for a free Instapage trial today and see the difference.